Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. As we all know, exciting news is fun to share. So I have something for you today. As you know, we carry fabric from all kinds of fabric manufacturers, and sometimes, being the designer that I am, I sometimes think, wouldn't it be nice if someday I saw maybe a hydrangeas or poinsettias with a certain look, pearlescent or metallic, or, well, as the years have passed, I keep dreaming and it never happened. And I thought maybe it's the right time to partner with a fabric manufacturer to bring those dreams to life. And that has happened. I could not be happier than I am today to announce that I am now designing fabric for Riley Blake. I have admired this amazing company since the very beginning. I actually remember when they came on the scene, and they have just been a force ever since. We all know their fabric is so fun and beautiful and vast. They have so many wonderful collections. Well, I had always been hoping not only for just a beautiful floral collection, but maybe something with pearlescent touch. I have had the blessing of working with the incredible team at Riley Blake to bring our first fabric collection to life. This is called a storyboard. This is what we receive from our sales reps so that we can see which fabrics are coming up. So I'm going to be sharing that with you right now. This is called Hydrangeas in the Garden, and the inspiration is my grandmother's garden back in Michigan. Every time my mom would bring us over to visit with Grandma and Grandpa, we always went around Grandma's garden first. She was just incredible, and her hydrangeas were big and beautiful and pink, and the periwinkle, it was so beautiful. So this one's for Grandma, and it's called Hydrangeas in the Garden, and it has the pearlescent finish. This is something that is brand new to Riley Blake, and you are now seeing the very first fabric that I received as potential fabric we would print. Now, I have approved this colorway, and the pink is going back around for what's called another strike off. I have little pieces of the fabric, and we'll try to get in there and show you just how stunning this is so that you can see the pearlescence. Here's the great news. On the Shabby Fabrics website under Coming Soon, you'll be able to go down to the fabrics that are by the letter H. Be sure to find Hydrangeas in the Garden. You can sign up right now for all your favorite fabrics. That helps us know how much fabric should we be ordering of the main floral and the stripe and all the other prints. So I'll first show you what's in the book here, the storyboard, and then we'll look at our strike off. So we have the multi-floral, that's both the pink and the periwinkle blue. And then we also have dedicated colorways of the pink. This is what's going back through what's called another round of strike off, where they will go through another round of really dialing in the color. The last round I saw was just a little bit off of the pink, a little bit more coral. I'm looking for that to match the storyboard as closely as we can. And I can't thank Riley Blake enough for their committed partnership with me to bring color into perfection, as perfect as it can get. As you can see here, this is the strike off. And didn't their team do a phenomenal job on this? This is this print here. And we have this print down here. So the storyboard is a concept, but then achieving it in real life, that's a whole nother discipline, right? And so that's these fabrics here. And you're now seeing the little pieces that I received. On the back, it says 3 is the third round of strike off. I got 3 different samples, A, B, and C, and I felt that the letter C matched closest. So this is what we go through as the designers, from digital concept to actual fabric, trying to decide, is the color right, is the design clear, all of the things that make a fabric beautiful. And I, again, appreciate so much the commitment, the partnership that Riley Blake and I have together to bring forth not just great fabric, spectacular fabric that you're so proud to have in your sewing room, and you feel good about making that investment. We all know that the cost of fabric is going up, tariffs are a real thing, and we want to make sure the fabric that we're buying is high quality. These are also screen printed. This is not digitally printed fabric. The traditional way of printing fabric is a screen printing technique, and digital is what's new. You're seeing more and more digital fabrics, and I am committed to our collections being screen printed. So you're seeing the fabrics just as I have here, and this is a beautiful pearlescent dot. So again, I am so thrilled to announce that we are brand new designers for Riley Blake. I knew a collection like this would need plenty of white and cream backgrounds. And so they have also created kind of a basics called Elegant Essentials. I have two pieces. There's our white, and then we have our beautiful kind of cream. And so these will be kind of our backgrounds, so that we'll be able to do applique, patchwork, and you can see how these will fit in beautifully, and they have wonderful pearl. So let me put that aside, because as you know, if you're looking at live fabric, that means we've been actually designing that almost 6 months ago. So of course, Riley Blake loves to have a large release of fabric, especially at Christmas. Well, they asked me, what should we do for your next collection? And I said, oh, I do love Christmas, and I do love flowers. And so the next collection that is brand new and was just released at International Quilt Market in Houston for next Christmas, 2026. This is called Poinsettias at Christmas. I have no fabric to show you because it's still in production. What makes this special is not only spectacular design, again with an amazing partnership with Riley Blake and their artistry and all of their just commitment to beautiful fabric, but this has metallic accents across many of the fabrics. So of course, this is a celebration of all things Christmas. We also have some beautiful ornament charms. So if you're going to make a clutch or a bag, has kind of that clip. We also have a needle minder, so if you're going to be doing any holiday stitching, that'll help you keep track of your needle. So these, of course, will have beautiful metallic accents with some metallic in the background, metallic accents across our Christmas ornaments. And you can see we just have beautiful plaids. We have the tone on tone with the wonderful words. Here over on this colorway, that's actually kind of almost like a metallic gold. That'll be very regal. And you can see all of the incredible fabrics here. We also have some amazing stripes. So if you're like me, there's just nothing like a beautiful floral framing a quilt with a miter corner. It's spectacular. There are some projects in here. These are some free projects. And I'll also be having a block of the month. This is a paid pattern, and you can look forward to having that available to you as we get a little bit further along, and we can actually make the sample, and you're looking at a live quilt. And then again, kind of just showing some projects. So the big announcement though was that I am excited. Those fabrics that I keep dreaming about and hoping to see, well, we're gonna see those. And I'm just thrilled to be working side by side with Riley Blake to bring you beautiful fabric. As information comes, as I get the strike off and it's approved, I will share that with you. And when we get the pink, I'll share that with you. But again, just like this one, you can head to the website now under the coming soon. You're looking for poinsettias at Christmas. Sign up for your favorite fabrics. And while you're there, if you haven't already done it, be sure to sign up for the newsletter and sign up for texting. That is the fastest way to know what's happening at Shabby Fabrics and take advantage of any sales, Black of the Month, and clubs, and so much more. So thank you for giving me a few minutes of your day to hear this exciting announcement, and I cannot wait to make even more beautiful fabric with Riley Blake.